Good afternoon. I am your weather forecaster, Trey Lawrence. Looking at our Cooper Science Building live feed, there is no sun in the sky, but there is clouds and there is rain. So it is pretty humid outside right now. In our current temperature right now, it's 77 degrees in Muncie. Down south, it's 76 degrees in Indianapolis and Shelbyville. And then up north, our lowest is 68 degrees in Fort Wayne. Now zooming into the Muncie area, it is 74 degrees up in Marion, with it being 77 still in Muncie and farmland, with our lowest being 73 degrees down in Richmond. Now over a 24 temperature change, Muncie is at 9 degrees. Shelbyville has the highest temperature change with 10 degrees. 7 degrees in Indianapolis, and Lafayette is our lowest at 5 degrees. Now looking at the next 12 hours, it's going to start out being pretty hot in the low 70s, and then it is going to be smooth sailing from there. Around 11 p.m. it's going to be at 68, and then starting around 1 a.m., 2 a.m., it's going to be at 65 degrees, and it'll continue to be at 65 until the morning. Now looking at tonight, it's going to be showers with a low of 63 degrees. The wind is blowing at 5 miles per hour southways, so you might want to bundle up if you are taking a walk. Now looking at tomorrow at 8 a.m., it's still going to be showering with it being 64 degrees, and the winds are blowing east by northeast at 5 degrees. And then at 12 p.m., it's going to be a little bit lighter rain. It's still going to be a little bit cloudy, but it's going to be a bit warmer with it being 69 degrees. And then starting around 5 p.m., the sun is going to come out. It's still going to be pretty cloudy, but there is not going to be that much rain. So it's going to be nice and warm for your other activities at 72 degrees. Now looking at our temperature outlook, we are still in the above average zone, so it's going to be a bit more humid than we are used to. It's going to be a bit more hot than we're used to, and we should prepare for that because looking at our drought monitor, we are still in the moderate zone for the drought, but with that rain coming in, it might clear up this drought. And unfortunately, up in Wilshire, it's around the severe area, with dry being more north Indianapolis. Looking at a precision cast, you can see the clouds are coming in. I want to stop it right here, and you can see the wind and the rain coming through Muncie. It's only going to be here for a little bit. Once it hits 12 p.m., 1 p.m., it's going to clear up, and it's going to be a lot less rainy with a lot more clouds. And the clouds are going to keep coming in until around 6, 7 a.m., which is something you might want to look out for if you're going to take a walk. Now, over the 7-day forecast, on Wednesday it's going to be 73 degrees with an 80% chance of rain. Thursday it's only going to be a 40% chance at 75 degrees. And then starting Friday, it's going to be a bit more sunny, and it is going to continue being sunny through the weekend around Saturday and Sunday, going into the next week at 80 and 83 degrees. If you want to learn more about weather, check us out on our socials on Instagram, X, and on Newslink, Indiana.